Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you can access the recovery contact, email or phone, because Microsoft sends verification codes there. Open the Microsoft sign-in page and choose I forgot my password. Enter your account alias and complete the CAPTCHA. This prevents automated attacks. Once done, choose the recovery option that matches the contact you control. Make sure to use the device you normally sign in from if possible. That increases the chance Microsoft recognizes you and speeds verification. Now you'll prove ownership. Enter the code sent to your recovery email or phone. Codes expire quickly, so check promptly. If you cannot access those, choose the account recovery form and answer questions about account activity, recent email subjects, contacts you emailed, or billing details for subscriptions. Be precise and honest. Microsoft scores answers for match. Once you submit, Microsoft reviews and usually replies within 24 hours. Keep an eye on any alternate contact you provided during submission. After verification, you'll be prompted to choose a new password. Pick a unique, long phrase and avoid reused passwords. Immediately enable two-step verification or set up the Microsoft Authenticator app for stronger protection. Then update recovery contacts and remove any stale or unfamiliar devices from your account security page. If you still can't regain access, retry the recovery form with fresh details or reach Microsoft support. One key troubleshooting tip: attempt recovery from a familiar device and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.